Well, welcome back. And in this story titled Manasaha Ekagrata. Eka Agrata. Agra means to go forward. Ekagrata means the quality of going forward with one pointedness. Manasaha Ekagrata. Mind's one pointedness. Going forward in mind in one pointedness. That's the literal meaning of this Manasaha Ekagrata. That means single minded concentration. That is the meaning of that. Purvam Kasminchit Aranye Rishyashringaha Badarinath Nataha cha iti. So here I think that scanning is not proper. Badarinathashcheti dau sanyasinau astam. Purvam, earlier, Kasminchit Aranye, in some forest, Rishyashringaha Badarinaathaha. Like that, in the name of Rishyashringa and Badarinaatha, those sannyasinau astam. Two sannyasis were there. Sannyasi means one who left everything. He is called sannyasi. Rishyashringasya ashramasya samipe eva Badarinathasya ashramaha. So here it is correct. Badarinathah. Rishyashringasya ashramasya samipe eva. Nearby that ashrama of the Rishyashringa, Badarinathasya ashramaha also was there. That is the meaning. The ashramas of both the sannyasis were nearby. Madhyavayaskau tau sada tapasi leenau bhavataha. Madhyavayaskau means middle-aged. Tau, those two sannyasinau, sada tapasi leenau bhavataha. Always they were totally immersed. Leenau means totally magnaha, leenau, ashrayaha, lambamanaha. Like that we can say many meaning. Tapasi leenaha means one who is totally engaged in doing tapas. Kadachit Badarinathah Rishyashringam Uktavan. Once the Badarinatha told to the Rishyashringa, Janana Madhye Vasaha Karaniyaha iti Ichha Tada Tada Mam Badhate. So the Badarinatha is having a feeling. The feeling is Jananam Madhye Vasaha Karaniyaha iti Ichha. The desire to live amongst people, with so many people. Tada tada, every now and then, mam badhate. It disturbs me, that feeling or that desire to live with so many people. It disturbs me. Ataha mama dhyane tada tada bhangaha bhavatis iti. So, in his dhyana, in his that single-mindedness, he can't have single-mindedness. That is dhyana. Tada tada bhangaha bhavati. So every now and then he gets a disturbance while concentrating. Etat shrutva kshanakalasya maunasya anantaram Rishyashringaha uktavan. After listening this, and after some time, kshanakalasya maunasya anantaram. After keeping quiet silent for some time, Rishyashringaha uktavan. The Rishyashringa told, Vichitra ichha bhavataha. This desire of you is very peculiar. Tathapi ichhayaha nirodha kshemaya na. Kshemaya means it is not for good. Na kshemaya means it is not for good. Which is not good? Ichhayaha nirodha. Nirodha means to stop. So, to stop the desire is not good, because that desire will every now and then it will pop up. Ataha yatha ichha tatha karotu iti. So what you desire, you do as per that. So you want to live with people, okay, you go and live instead of ashrama. Anantara dine eva Badrinathah aranyat nirgatya samipastham ekam nagaram praptavan. So on the next day only, Anantara dine eva Badrinathah, the sannyasi Badrinathah aranyat nirgatya, having gone out of the forest, samipastham ekam nagaram praptavan. He reached a city nearby. Nagarasya saundaryam visheshaha cha tasmai nitaram arochanta. Nagarasya saundaryam, the beauty of the city, visheshaha, and various, a city means it has various food for our all our indriya. That is visheshaha. Tasmai nitaram arochanta. So he liked very much the life of city. किंतु मासाभ्यन्तरे सः नगरजीवनस्य वञ्चनाः कलहाः मारणानि असत्यकथनम् इत्यादीनि दृष्ट्वा जुगुप्सितः अभवत्. किंतु but so he liked the life of city. There is so much to enjoy and entertain by all the five indriya. That is the meaning of that visheshaha. Okay. Kintu, but masabhyantare means within some months, saha kaha Badrinathah nagarajivanasya vanchanaha, the cheating way of living in the city, kalahaha, the quarrels, maranani. Maranani here means people are killing each other. It is not that every day people kill each other, but we see every now and then in paper also news, every day somewhere somebody is killed. Asatya kathanam, and telling lies, ityadini. So more such things. The city way of life is totally different. You somehow want to get into what you want. So you don't follow Nyaya Dharma like that. So having seen all that, Drishtva, having seen all that, Jigupsitaha abhavat. He got disgusted, a feeling of disgusting. Okay. Ataha sa okay, let me. Ataha saha nagaram parityajya aranyastham swakiyam ashramam gatavan. So ataha, therefore, saha kaha Badrinathah nagaram parityajya, leaving the city, aranyastham swakiyam ashramam gatavan. The ashrama of him, swakiyam, aranyastham, the ashrama which is situated in the forest of his own, gatavan, he went. Alpe eva kale pratyagamana, I'm sorry, pratyagatavantam Badrinatham drishtva Rishyashringaha santushtaha. Alpe eva kale, within a short time, pratyagatavantam Badrinatham drishtva, having seen the Badrinatha who just returned, Rishyashringaha santushtaha, the another sannyasi Rishyashringa, he was happy. Badrinathah nagaranubhavam vistarena nivedayan asit. And this Badrinathah nagarasya nagaranubhavam, the experiences he had in the city, vistarena nivedayan asit. He was telling in detail. Vistaranam means in detail. Rishyashringaha tu ashrunvan iva sthitaha asti. Rishyashringaha tu. But the other sannyasi, Rishyashringaha, ashrinvaniva, as if he is not listening to him. Sthitaha asti, he just stayed as if he is not listening to him. Etat drishtva Badrinathah prishtavan. Having seen this, that he is not paying attention to whatever I say, Badrinathah asked, Nagara jivane bhavane sarvatha anasaktaha iti bhati. Nagara jivane, In the life of the city, sarvatha bhavan anasaktaha. You are always not interested. Iti bhati. Like that I feel, or I have that opinion. Kimartham evam. Why it is so? Nagara jivana varta shravanat manasaha ekagrata nashyet iti bhitihi va. Iti prishtavan. Nagara jivana varta shravanat. Nagara jivana varta shravanam. 4 words are there. So here it is a samasta padam. Nagara jivana varta shravanat. By listening to the news of the life of the city. So in a samasta padam, if you go from right to left, the meaning will be clear. Shravanat, from hearing. Varta, the news. Listening to news. Jivana, of the life. Nagara, of the city. So listening to the news of the life of the city, manasaha ekagrata, the mind's single-mindedness. Nashyet iti bhitihi va. Do you fear that it gets destroyed? The single-mindedness of our mind gets destroyed by listening to so many things of the lifestyles of the city. Do you feel such type of fear? Like that he asked. Tada Rishyashringaha mandahasapurvakam uktavan. Then the Rishyashringa sannyasi, in a smiling way, he told, Nagara jivana varta shravanat mama na kapi bhitihi. Kintu tatra asaktihi nasti mama. I don't have any fear listening to such details of city life. Kintu, but tatra asaktihi nasti mama. But I have no interest. Asaktihi means interest. Wherever you show interest, your mind goes there. When your mind goes there, you think of that. When you think of that, you act on that. When you act on that, you get result of that. When you get result of that, you get both joy and sorrow. Okay. नागरिक जीवनात् वृत्तिम अप्राप्य एव भवान् तत्कालिका वेग कारणतः अत्र आगतः आसीत् इति भाति. Okay, so this Rishyashringaha is telling नागरिक जीवनात् viraktim aprapya. Virakti means a type of dispassion, dissociation. From the city life, not having dispassion, aprapya, not having or not attained this dispassion. Bhavan tatkalika vega karanataha. Tatkalika vegaha means impulsive. We say, something impulsively reacted. Tatkalika vega karanataha atra agataha asit iti bhati. So you have come here to the ashrama on some impulsive way without getting total dispassion from the life of the city. Ataha eva bhavadiyam manaha tada tada nagarika jivana vishaye asaktam bhavati sma. Ataha eva, because of that only, bhavadiyam manaha, your mind, tada tada, every now and then, nagarika jivana vishaye, in the joys, enjoyments, and all type of entertainment of the city life, asaktam bhavati sma. So it gets interested. Idanintu tat jivanam drishtam bhavata. But by now this time, by you, the life of the city is seen. Bhavata, by you, tat jivanam drishtam. Tat jivana means that life of the city is seen. Tataha viraktaha api. And you are dispassionate also. Ataha itah param manasaha ekagratayaha praptau na kopi kleshaha iti. Ataha, because you now got the dispassion of the city life and you fulfilled your desire, itah param, hereafter, Manasaha ekagratayaha praptau. In getting the single-mindedness of your mind, nakopi kleshaha. There is no klesha. Klesha means no hurdles. Means no obstructions. Like that you can take. Tataha alpe eva kale badrinathah api dhyana sandarbhe nirantaram ekagratam prapnuvan paripurnaha sannyasi jataha. Tataha alpe eva kale. So having returned to the ashrama from that time, tataha alpe eva kale, in a short time, badrinathah api, badrinathah also. That means the other Rishyashringaha, he already attained that ekagrata of the mind. Dhyana sandarbhe, at the time of meditation, nirantaram ekagratam praptuvan, having attained permanent single-mindedness, paripurnaha sannyasi jataha. Paripurnaha means complete. He became complete sannyasi. Well, so being sannyasi is totally in our mind. It is not in lifestyle. Okay. Anyway, hope you liked this story and I will come up with some other new story. Take care. Bye-bye.